So this is a quick tutorial on how to install Ollama. First things first, you just download it, whatever you have, Linux, Mac. And next you would click this and then just copy and paste into your CMD. Okay. We just run CMD. So you run CMD and then you just run the command. But you gotta make sure it's installed so you can talk to your llama now. Write me some JavaScript on Hello World. It's on terminal, so it's like faster. So let's Ollama script. Yeah, it's correct. Let's do next. The thing, the thing about it, it uses a lot of RAM. Let me make it smaller. So the usage of GPU, it's 6 gigs of RAM used. It uses all the RAM in your GPU. It's for the Llama, and the GPU is at 60. It's not 100%. Uses 20%, but 50% encoding. So this is the Facebook Llama 3, and then they have different ones that are you can like try Phi, Mistral, Gamma. You just run the command on command line, and you have your own LLM, which is like better than the other interface. So this is the Ollama interface, which is cool. Now you install instructions, the Docker, JavaScript library. Oh, here's the commands. So here's Llama 3. This is the really big one. You have to have a 40 gig RAM graphic card. 5.3. I could barely run that one. Moondream is the smallest neural network at 800. I'm trying that one. So yeah, you can have like a little chat bot on your command line. This is a command line app. So if you enjoy this, hit a like, and if you learn something. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Just download it and then run command line right here, like one of these on GitHub. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something. Peace.